Okay, good morning all. So today we are going to start our multimedia interactive class, and today we are going to try to make a advertising using Google Web Designer step by step. So before we are going to open our Google Web Designer software, make sure that you already got the software downloaded on your personal computer or your laptop. And besides that, you also need to prepare the content that we are previously prepared before the midterm. So you need to put the video, the photo of the object in the Museum Sri Baduga that you already choose. And additional to that, you have to prepare also your profile picture and the Telkom University logo. So when you're ready with this all thing, we can start to making our assignment using Google Web Designer. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to open, of course, the Google Web Designer software. So for this software, I think the update version is the 2019 version. Okay, so when you open the Google Web Designer, you can see the opening menu like this. So there is an option of create new file and use template. So if you want to use template that already prepared by the software, you can click use template. But for today, we are going to make our own file. So we are going to click create new file. So when you create new file, I think it's already tried previously in our class. So there is several options here. You can see there is banner and other option until the JavaScript and XML option. But in our assignment, we only use two types of advertising. So the first one is banner and the second one is expandable. So the difference is that banner is only the simple advertising format for the application in Google. But expandable is that the advertising that could expand when you click the advertising and has a close button to shrink it back. So maybe you seeing this kind of advertising in several pop-ups advertising in the website. So okay, so we are going to click banner and then you need to put your file name. So you need to put your first name. Make sure that you follow this format of file name, okay, so I don't get confused when I will score your assignment. So the first name and then your class, for example your class in international 1, and then the name of object that you choose in Museum Sri Baduga. Okay, mine for example is gamelan, and you can choose where you put the file, wherever in your PC that it's convenient with you, but make sure that you don't forget the folder file or the file name. Okay, go, and then the environment, use display and video 360. And for the dimension is the size of the canvas that you will going to make an advertising. So we are going to use for today's 300 times 600. Okay, and for the animation mode, there is an option of quick and advanced, but we are going to choose advanced because it's have a more option for the animation that we are going to put in the advertising. So after you finish with that, so click OK. Okay, so you see this is your blank canvas now. Okay, so you will remember the previous material that I already sent through your Google Classroom. So if you see this panel, okay, this panel is the toolbar panel. So there is several options in this toolbar panel, and then this one is the tool option bar. So when you click the toolbar panel, these two option bar will appear different kind of tool option bar. So the option is different. Okay, and then this one is timeline. So you see, if you click this panel, you can change. This one is the quick mode, and if you click again, this one is become the advanced mode. So this is the timeline, and this one is the panel that you choose the colors and then the properties, and also the library when you put all the image that you are going to make in this blank canvas. You can see in this panel. Okay, now we are going to start to making our advertising using Google Web Designer. So if you remember, in our previous meeting before the midterm, you already make some scenario of how you want to making your advertisement. So today we are going to learn how to make the first page of your advertisement. So before you put your scenario on the advertisement using Google Web Designer, we are going to make a cover page first. So your cover page will consist of your profile picture, your title, the logo of Telkom University, and the animation button that will lead you to the next page of your advertisement. So the first thing that you are going to do is that you need to import all the picture that you need to put on the canvas. So you import the assets. So you can see the appearance of the asset is really depend on the size of your image. So to change the size of the image, you can click this one in the outliner. So in library and the outliner, you can click the image, and then you go to the properties and you click this one, the constraint aspect ratio, the between, like the hook symbol. Okay, and then you can use your mouse to make the picture go bigger and smaller. So use all the image that you have. Okay, go one more. Okay, after use that, you can drag the picture and where you will put the image. So before that, okay, you already arrange the size. Okay, the first one is that you need to change the name of the image in the timeline. You see, here we go, I changed the name. So this one is for the Telu logo, and then click this one. Okay, and then change the name. This one is for Gamelan. So you will make it easier to you to remember which picture that you will change in your canvas. Profile photo. This is an example. You can put any other name that it's convenient for you. Okay, so here we go. For the logo, I need you to put in the upper of the canvas. Okay. Okay, before you move the picture, you can also change the background color. So if you want to change the background color of your canvas, you can change the color of your canvas. This one in page, in properties, this page fill. So you can choose the background color. So red, any color that you want to put. Okay. So if you have a picture that consists of the bright color, maybe you can set the background to the more dark color, so you can get the contrast of your background and your picture. But if you have a picture that is with the more dark color, maybe it is better for you to put just white or maybe more bright color to your canvas. So I just put this one. Okay, after that we are going to put the logo first. So I need you to make sure the logo is in the correct size. Oh yeah, okay. So you can also change the background using the same way of the picture, but we are not going to change the background. We are going to change the logo. So make sure that you click the picture first and then change your ratio of the logo, so you don't need to put the logo too big. So I think this is the right size. So you need to click the align to container, and I want you to put the logo in the up format of the canvas and in the left side. So this one. So you click the align container and then you put the top edge, the click of the top edge panel and click of the left edge panel. Okay, after that you can put the picture that you want. So we go this is your profile picture. Okay, so you can put your profile picture wherever you want. Just make sure that you also have the right size of your picture. This one is good anywhere based on your creativity. So I just want you to make sure you put the logo in the upper left of your canvas, but for the profile picture it's up to you. So I'll just put it right here. Okay, so if you want to make the same alignment to your profile picture, so put in the edge, then you can put in the left edge. So something like that. Okay, now this one is the photo of the object, so you can put the photo of the object later where you will put it. So I'll just put it maybe right here. So if you want to change, maybe like this one, it's really up to your creativity. Okay, maybe like this, and this one is your, so you can also change the size. Okay, something like that. So but I really need you to put your profile picture on the cover of the Google Web Designer assignment that you did. Okay, so okay, like this one. Okay, now we are going to add text on your canvas. So I need you to add two type of text. The first one is your name and your class, and the second one is your title of your advertisement. So when you put text, you choose this text tool and then you make a rectangle and you add the text. So in this upper of your canvas, you can write your name and your class. So for example, like this. Okay, when you want to change the text, so make sure that you already block the text, and you see in this option tools, you can see the direction for the changings of the text, but I'll use in this one, so it's easier to see whether in this menu. So you see, you can change the style, so it is the normal text, and you can also change the font, so maybe this one, and maybe you can put bold, and you also can change the color. So I'll put just red to change the color of the text, and then make it in the center. And If you want to change the size, you just put here. Okay, so if the size is too big, then you can just click the box and put to reduce the text size to fit the container. So this one will fit the box nicely. Okay, if you don't really satisfied with your font, you can change again the font. So if you want some kind of font that not really in this Google Web Designer, so you can add more fonts, and then you change loading fonts. Maybe what put Poppins, I guess, like in the, so you see. Okay, so this one Poppins, and you can see it's changing in the Poppin. So this one, and you can also click again the reducing, okay, for the font size. Okay, and the second text is the title. So you click again the text tool and you put the text here. So you put the name of the title of your advertisement. For me is maybe I put just getting more information on your local heritage gamelan in Museum Sri Baduga. So you can make all kind of title that you see it's fit to you. Okay, so make sure that you also make same treatment. You can change the color, change everything that you want. So I maybe make it a blue and then bold, and size the size. Okay, go fit in. Okay, here we go. So okay, the color is not yet changing. Okay, this one getting more dark. Okay, so here we go. So you have a logo, your profile picture, your text, and text for your name and class, and text for your title. So you now have your profile picture, your logo, your name on it, your object picture, and your title of your advertising. Now we are going to make the box that will guide to the next page. So you click your tag tool, and then you put the box in the bottom of your advertising page. So you want to put the text on your box, but you don't want to put it in the layer of the timeline of your page of advertising. So you want to put the text inside of the box, so because this one will link to the next page. So you click your selection tool, and then you double click your, okay, you double click it, and then it will appear the different timeline of your layer. This one is the timeline inside of the box. So you put the text inside of the box. So I'll just simply put the next text on the box. So you treat like the text previously. Okay, so I will change the color with white, and if you want to change the background of your box, you go to the properties and put the color option. Okay, so we change like this. Okay, So if you want to make it bigger and sweet to your box, you can also make a bigger text box. So okay, this one is finished. So for making an animation, so you put click on what layer or what picture or what text that you want to put an animation. So for example, this button page. So when you already click the button page, use the selection tools to click the button page, and then you put these tools on your timeline. Click right, insert keyframe. So if you want from the beginning, from out to in, so you need to drag the timeline and drag the button outside, and when you play, okay, you put it again on inside. So when you play, it goes like that. So it also can change, maybe like is in, so we'll see the difference. So it's like that. Okay, you can also put other animation, maybe for your profile picture. Okay, your profile picture, so you also can insert keyframe. So which one you're going to do for your profile picture? So going like this maybe, and then goes in again, so you just can play like that. See? Or in the other way. So just remove first, remove the keyframe, and then put it again a keyframe. Which one? Maybe this one. Goes back, put the photo profile, and goes inside. So like that. Okay, so it's up to your imagination how you will go with the animation. That's it for today's meeting. So what this meeting I want you to do is making a cover page for your banner advertisement. So the detail of interaction I will put it on Google Classroom, so you can check our Google Classroom, and also make sure that you upload your final result of cover page on Google Classroom. Okay, thank you and see you next week.